Okay, this is a reply to 2.5cubers. Joe, your one-handed bike ride, so I quite liked it. I thought I'd try it myself. He's just scrambling at the moment. He'll be filming. He's also on a bike, so if the quality's bad, I don't know. But I'm going to try and cut your time in 3. You did it in about 1 minute 30. I'm going to try and do it in 30 seconds.
Done.
So, yeah, okay, so I'm going to inspect the cube. Here you go, Sam.
Yeah.
And I'm going to get in the road.
Okay.
Go on then. Yeah, I got that scramble.
Sorry.
That's good. Okay, then go.
Nice.
I actually turned out better. I mean, the aswell was pretty quick.
Yeah. Can't work more steady with the camera on a bike, don't you think?
Yeah. That was me. Yeah. I'm not going to bother trying to do a two-handed on the bike because it would take too long and the car's about. Yes, we know that. Anyway, peace out.